Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple logo just by using Microsoft Words. Sound sound interesting, right? Microsoft Words is usually used for creating a layout, text, and everything about text instead of graphic design like CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator. This is could be simple. It could be easier one to create a basic logo for a people who don't have any basic knowledge about the vector graphic software. So if you don't have any graphic design software like I mentioned before, just use Microsoft Word as I have now. I have Microsoft Word 2019, and I think it has a lot of features about creating a shapes, and it's quite good creating a simple logo design like this one. This is I made from this software, Microsoft Word. And do you know this is a common logo that we usually see on the real estate company or company about house and real estate. And how to make that I will show you in this video now. Right, let's start. Let's delete all of this back to the original state. So you want to know if you want to start, just make a new one, file, new, right, blank document, and then you can change your maybe you may want to change the layout, especially size. I prefer to letter, and orientation to landscape, right? This could be like drawing boards, right? Okay, now I'm going to insert shapes. This is a collection of simple shapes. You can choose one of it to create your own logo. This is for a basics, and then for a further you can create a customized one, right? Just one of this. I prefer to choose is it this one. Yes, I recently used this, right? This is a perfect shape for creating a roof. So there is a handle, uh, this uh, yellow or orange handle here. You can drag it to this state, so you can see the curve, sorry, the slanted. You can see more slanted here if we just drag it like this. And then to make this to be, because the house or roof is going to be sharp pointed on the top of the roof, so we have to edit shapes by editing point, right? So there's a edit point right here. You go to formats, edit shapes, and edit point. Then go ahead to move or drag this into approximately below this one, but a little higher like this, a little more inside, a little more right. Okay, after that you can copy it by oh no, the first we need to change the shape, maybe fill, this determine the colors of your shapes. You can choose whatever you want. So currently I want to choose a red one, and then shape outline to no outline, right? After that we need to copy this by you have to hold control button and shift to drag uh, to the right with a precision, so like this. Yes, and then You can flip it by using this tool. It's still in the format tab, and you will find rotate and then flip horizontal, right? Then like this, just you can zoom in if you need to be more clearly, just to be as make sure that this touch to each other like this, right? I think it's enough. It's too hard actually to make a very precise midpoint to meet together like Adobe Illustrator, because it's just a software, not just for graphic, right? Okay. The next step is to create a window. So let's create a window, and then customize it a bit, center it a bit like this, and then inserts, right? And then choose shapes, and then square. Oh, sorry, rectangle. To make a square, you have to hold shift, then like this, shift and release. Then change the fill first before we copy it. I want to change to red as well, and this is no outline too. And then we can shift control and copy to the right hand side like this. Then shift to choose to select these two square, and then make it approximately to the center of this point, so we can simulate like this, and then shift to make it down precisely like this, and then you can hold control again, click, and then drag and shift. Oh, sorry, we have to hold the shift first and control, right? Control, shift, control, then drag. Oh, sorry, I think it's to be zoom in. Control shift. Oh, oh, what's happened? Sorry. Control. Alright, I think we need to make approximate like this. Just for approximation, be careful. Like maybe around something like this. Right? Yes, we have finished to create windows, and next step is to create a text, right? We have to create some nice text here by choosing your own font. You can choose whatever you want, but for this tutorial I just choose Calibri as default font, and then you have to type you have to create maybe this one text box. On the insert page you can choose text box, and then simple text box. Drag it to the bottom of these shapes as we see before, right? Then choose then write the names of the logo. For this name I choose in the Regency. This is a common real estate name here. And then you can increase the size as you want, maybe 26 or more. If you don't have space, you make sure to extend this square to the each side of the shapes. Make sure it's wide enough to allow this text to fully extend it. Then you can increase again. Oops, sorry. Control A, increase it. I think it's too much. We need to add manually, maybe 40 or 45. Yeah, I think it's enough. And then don't forget to remove this outline and fill if you want. Just go to Format tab and then Shape Fill. Make sure to choose No Fill, and Shape Outline, just No Outline. And we're done creating a nice logo, simple and elegant logo. Uh, Alright, I think I need to add a boldness here for the text. Just click this one and add the extend more. Add more extension and then choose center alignment to make sure they're centered. And yeah, this is the results. A simple logo design for any purpose. You can play out more if you want by using a tool like Editshape I mentioned before. I think it's good, and I think you have a basics idea for creating logo design. So the next step is export it to the PDF. Export to the PDF, and then just let's say you in the regency, right? Publish, and then let's see the results. Look at this. If we scale it, you will see that this is actually becomes a vector graphics. You know, SPDF always generates vector graphics results, vector graphic image. And like this, you know, we can scale it as we want without losing resolutions, without any blurry indication. And that is creating a logo design just using Adobe, just using Microsoft Word 2009 in Windows 10. I hope these steps and tutorials understandable, and you can create your own logo design, and I hope this helpful for you. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.